Regular aerobic activities such as walking, cycling, or swimming can help you live longer and healthier. During aerobic activity, you repeatedly move large muscles in your arms, legs, and hips. You'll notice your body's response quickly. You'll breathe faster and more deeply. This maximizes the amount of oxygen in your blood. Your heart will beat faster, which increases the blood flow to your muscles and back to your lungs. Your small blood vessels will widen to deliver more oxygen to your muscles and carry away waste products, such as carbon dioxide and lactic acid. Your body will even release endorphins, natural painkillers that promote an increased sense of well-being. Regardless of age, weight, or athletic ability, aerobic activity is good for you. As your body adapts to regular aerobic exercises, you will get stronger and fitter. Combined with a healthy diet, aerobic exercise helps you lose weight and keep it off. Aerobic exercise may make you tired in short term, but over the long term, you'll enjoy increased stamina and reduced fatigue. Aerobic exercises activate your immune system. This leaves you less susceptible to minor viral illnesses such as colds and flu. Aerobic exercises reduce the risk of many conditions, including obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and certain types of cancers. Weight-bearing aerobic exercises, such as walking, reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Aerobic exercise helps lower high blood pressure and control blood sugar. If you've had a heart attack, aerobic exercise will help prevent subsequent attacks. A stronger heart doesn't need to beat as fast. A stronger heart also pumps blood more efficiently, which improves blood flow to all parts of the body. Aerobic exercise boosts your high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol, and lowers your low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol. The potential result? Less buildup of plaque in your arteries. Aerobic exercise can ease the gloominess of depression, reduce the tension associated with anxiety, and promote relaxation. Aerobic exercise keeps your muscles strong, which can help maintain mobility as you get older. Aerobic exercise also keeps your mind sharp. At least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise 3 days a week seems to reduce cognitive decline in older adults. Studies show that people who participate in regular aerobic exercise live longer than those who don't exercise regularly.
Ready to get more active? Great! Just remember to start with small steps.
When you're ready to begin exercising, start slowly. You might walk 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. The next day, add a few minutes to each walking session. Pick up the pace a bit too. Soon you could be walking briskly for at least 30 minutes a day and reaping all the benefits of regular anaerobic activity. Other options might include cross-country skiing, aerobic dancing, swimming, stair climbing, cycling, jogging, elliptical training, or rowing. If you have a condition that limits your ability to participate in aerobic activities, ask your doctor about alternatives. If you have arthritis, for example, aquatic exercise may give you the benefits of aerobic activity without stressing your joints. The average person is consuming 35 milliliters of oxygen every kilogram of body weight per minute. That'll get you through one day. But elite athletes can reach values as high as 90. How do they do it? They may have good genes for one, but they also train hard, and when they do, their bodies adapt. The good news is that the bodies of mere mortals like the rest of us adapt to training too. Here's how. Your heart gets stronger and pumps more blood with each beat. Elite athletes, as I just mentioned, can have a stroke volume more than twice as high as average individuals, but that's not just it. Conditioned hearts also have greater diameter and mass, and they pump efficiently enough to allow for greater filling time, which is a good thing because it means that more blood fills the chambers of the heart before they pump, so that more blood gets pumped with each beat. Greater stroke volume means the heart doesn't have to pump as fast to meet the demands of exercise. Fewer beats and more stroke volume means greater efficiency. Think about a pump emptying water out of a flooded basement. The pump works better and lasts longer if it can pump larger volumes of water with each cycle than if it has to pump faster and strain to get rid of the water. High stroke volume is why athletes' hearts don't pump as fast during exercise and why they have such low resting heart rates. sometimes as low as 40 beats per minute. Downstream from the heart are your muscles, which get more efficient at consuming oxygen when you do regular aerobic exercise. This happens because of an increase in activity and number of enzymes that transport oxygen out of the bloodstream and into the muscle. Imagine 100 oxygen molecules circulating past a muscle. You're twice as fit if the muscle can consume all 100 molecules than if it can only consume 50. In terms of performance in this scenario, you will have more endurance because your muscles won't run out of oxygen as quickly. Mitochondria inside the muscle increase in number and activity. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of your cells. They do all the heavy-duty work to keep you moving. They use oxygen to burn the fat and carbohydrate that make you go. The good news is they increase in number and activity by as much as 50% in just a matter of days to weeks in response to regular aerobic exercise in adults of all ages. I mentioned that fat and carbohydrate are fuels our muscles burn. The difference between them is fat is high test. It contains 9 calories per gram, whereas carbohydrate only has 4, and so you get more energy and can go further on a gram of fat than on a gram of carbohydrate. You want to burn fat because it's such an efficient fuel. Plus, it's nice to lose some of your excess fat. The catch is that you need more oxygen to burn fat because it's denser than carbohydrate. The good news is that your body gets better at using oxygen and burning fat when you do regular aerobic exercise. Like I described, your heart pumps more blood, your muscles consume more oxygen, and you have more mitochondria.